Launch control active. Holy. All right, let's get it. Like and subscribe to the limits. Yo, this shit feel crazy. Slowly. This thing is in all-wheel drive sport and it's spinning, bro. Let's see if we can launch it, even though this road is a little bit bumpy, so it might not be the best 0 to 60, but let's see. Turn that up. Preparing, launch control active. Holy shit. This thing is stupid fast. Stupid fast. Alright. Let's make a U-turn and go back. Let's drop it in M2. I have the M2 set up to rear-wheel drive. Alright, let's get it. Bro, it just spun up the whole time just now. Big bump. This thing is fun. Do I see a difference compared to a regular one? Hell yes. Gotta avoid all those bumps. That was the question when I got the keys. Is it different from a regular M3? Hell yes it is. You can feel it. It's just super nimble. I mean, a normal M3 is nimble, but this is a whole nother level. A whole nother level. Put it back in M2 and we'll slide that corner. My boy said, bro, go have some fun. So I said, okay, I will. I'll have some fun, bro. Hell yeah. It's a Sunday and I'm chilling, man. Sunday, I ain't gotta work. I get thrown the keys to a CS. Come on, hell yes. That's the only answer. No work from the normal job, I should say, because this is work. This might be the end of our drive, guys. Oh no, he's moving. All right, drop it back in 4-wheel drive. Let's brake boost a little bit. That's how you do it right there, a little brake boost, because it does have a bit of turbo lag. The handling is stupid good, of course. It does have a bit of turbo lag, so when you do the brake boost, like what we just did, let's just kick it out. Be done. We just kick up a whole bunch of dust right there. All right, let's bring this baby back. All right, let me bring it back to my boy. I'm done. I have my fun. Definitely a nice ass car. Is it worth the price over a normal G80? I mean, if you're gonna be track focused, gonna take it on a track and be able to push it, hell yeah. If you're not gonna push this car, then you might as well get a regular one. But if you're the type of person who will push it, then definitely get the CS. Yeah. An M3 CS, man. 2024 joint, carbon fiber every freaking where. Back of the seats, carbon, of course. I love the red in there too. Yeah, this shit is completely sick. Completely sick. And I fit nice. I fit tight, a little bit tight, but hey, it's good enough. I love this shit. Let's go for a drive. Or do we already? If we already did the drive, thank you guys for watching. If we're about to go for the drive, let's go for the drive. This thing is sick. Huge shout out to God, man. God has blessed us to drive some amazing cars. So huge shout out to God. We're gonna do the next church and cars on June 21st, Father's Day. So get your toys ready. And we see you guys at church and cars, man. If it wasn't for God, we wouldn't be able to do nothing. He's the will, he's the way. Always remember that. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.